In the 1960s, airlines like Pan Am were selling tickets to the moon, promising luxury vacations among the stars for the everyday traveler. Fast forward to today, and billionaires like Richard Branson and Jeff Bezos are blasting off in their own rockets, while companies pitch orbital hotels as the next big real estate frontier. But behind the glamour lies a trail of shattered dreams, billions in hidden losses, and empty promises floating in the void. In this video, we'll compare space tourism's starry-eyed past with its high-stakes present, from the failed fantasies of the space age to the risky rise of orbital hotels. We'll uncover the secret economic toll, the overbuilding parallels to Earth's ghost cities, and why this cosmic bubble might burst, leaving investors in the dust. Buckle up. It's time to explore the dark side of the final frontier. Chapter 1. The Then. Space tourism's golden age dreams. Let's rewind to the then. The 1960s and 1970s were the heyday of space tourism hype. Fresh off the Apollo moon landings, visionaries like NASA's Wernher von Braun dreamed of lunar colonies and orbiting resorts. Airlines jumped in. Pan Am famously created a First Moon Flights Club, issuing over 93,000 reservation cards for trips that never happened. Hotels like Hilton even sketched plans for a lunar Hilton with domed pools and zero-gravity bars. It was all fueled by Cold War optimism and government subsidies, promising space as the ultimate vacation spot. But reality crashed hard. The Space Shuttle program, meant to make orbits affordable, ballooned costs to $1.5 billion per launch, and tragedies like the Challenger disaster in 1986 grounded public enthusiasm. These early dreams weren't just sci-fi. They were speculative investments that quietly drained billions from taxpayers and companies, leaving behind ghost blueprints of unbuilt cosmic empires. Chapter 2. The Now, Orbital Hotels and the Billionaire Boom. Fast forward to now, and space tourism is no longer a pipe dream. It's a booming industry worth billions. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin offer suborbital joyrides for $450,000 a ticket, while SpaceX's Starship aims for Mars. The real game changer? Orbital hotels. Firms like Axiom Space and Orbital Assembly are building modular stations. Think luxury suites with Earth views, zero-G spas, and even film studios in space. NASA's backing private ventures like the International Space Station's commercial modules, and Bigelow Aerospace once touted inflatable habitats as hotels in the sky. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin envisions vast orbital real estate, echoing the elite's push for exclusive cosmic getaways. But it's not all smooth sailing. Delays, like Axiom's postponed modules, and skyrocketing costs, a single orbital hotel could run $5 to $10 billion, hint at familiar pitfalls. This isn't just tourism, it's space real estate, betting on a future where the ultra-rich escape Earth's woes. Chapter 3. The Causes, Overambition and Speculative Funding. What drives this evolution from then to now? It's a mix of technological leaps and unchecked ambition, much like the overbuilding that birthed Earth's ghost cities. In the past, causes included Cold War rivalries and naive optimism. Governments poured funds into reusable shuttles that never scaled, ignoring economic realities. Today, it's billionaire egos and venture capital fueling the fire. Elon Musk's SpaceX has raised $10 billion, but critics point to hidden subsidies from NASA contracts worth billions more. Speculative funding hides risks. Private investors bet on orbital hotels without proven demand, echoing China's empty skyscrapers built on growth targets. Add in regulatory loopholes. The Outer Space Treaty bans national claims, but private space real estate is a gray area, leading to secretive deals. The result? Projects like the failed Mars 1, which raised millions for a one-way colony that never launched, exposing how hype masks impending losses. Chapter 4. The Hidden Economic Losses. The secret real estate losses in space tourism are astronomical and often buried. Historically, the U.S. spent $28 billion on Apollo, equivalent to $200 billion today, with tourism spin-offs yielding little return. Failed ventures like the X-33 shuttle successor wasted $1.3 billion before cancellation. Now, orbital hotels amplify the stakes. Virgin Galactic stock has plummeted 80% amid delays, and Blue Origin's secretive spending, estimated at $1 billion yearly, hides mounting debts. Globally, the space economy is projected at $1 trillion by 2040, but flops could mirror ghost cities, empty stations orbiting like cosmic vacancies, with maintenance costs in the hundreds of millions annually. These losses are concealed through off-books financing and optimistic projections, but whistleblowers reveal the truth. Billions evaporate in failed tests, leaving investors with ghost assets in the sky. Chapter 5. Broader Impacts: Social, Environmental, and Ethical Toll. Beyond finances, space tourism's then versus now story inflicts deeper wounds. Socially, it's widening inequality. Past dreams were for the masses, but today's $55 million ISS trips, like those by Axiom, are elite playgrounds, displacing public science for profit. Environmentally, rocket launches spew more CO2 than aviation giants, and orbital debris from failed projects risks Kessler syndrome, a cascade of collisions turning space into a junkyard. Ethically, it's a dilemma. While then inspired global wonder, now raises questions about privatizing the cosmos, with companies like SpaceX facing lawsuits over worker safety and monopolies. Parallels to ghost cities are stark. Overbuilt orbital hotels could become abandoned relics, symbolizing humanity's hubris. These hidden costs erode trust as governments subsidize billionaires while Earth faces real crises like climate change. As we push forward, these issues demand we rethink the true price of reaching for the stars. In conclusion, space tourism's journey from 1960s dreams to orbital hotels today is a tale of innovation laced with secret losses. Overambitious projects that echo the empty empires of ghost cities. The economic, social, and environmental tolls warn us. The stars may beckon, but without caution, we'll build more voids than victories. Let's learn from the past to shape a truly accessible future in space. If this cosmic uncover hooked you, smash that like button to fuel more explorations. Comment your take on whether orbital hotels are genius or a galactic gamble. And subscribe for the next deep dive into hidden economic frontiers. Because together, we're unlocking the universe's secrets one video at a time.